Here's how you can use two Facebook apps on a Samsung phone using the built-in dual messenger feature. It lets you run two separate Facebook accounts on the same device without logging in and out repeatedly, which is especially useful for separating personal and work or business profiles. On most Samsung Galaxy devices, begin by opening the Settings app. You can also quickly use the search bar at the top of Settings and type Dual Messenger if you don't want to scroll manually. Once there, go into Advanced Features and look for the Dual Messenger option. Inside this menu, you will see a list of supported apps. Turn on the toggle next to Facebook. After enabling it, your phone may show a confirmation prompt or disclaimer explaining that a separate copy of the app will be created. Accept it and wait a few moments while the system installs the second instance. When the process is complete, your phone automatically generates a cloned version of Facebook. This duplicate app runs independently from the original, meaning it has its own login session, notifications, and data storage. You can easily identify it because the second icon usually displays a small orange badge with two overlapping circles in the corner. Open this newly created Facebook app and log in using your second account credentials. After that, both Facebook apps will function separately without affecting each other. Make sure your Samsung software is fully updated because Dual Messenger may not appear on older Android versions or some lower-end devices. If Facebook is missing from the list, it could be due to compatibility limits or regional restrictions. Restarting your phone after enabling the feature can also help it activate properly. Notifications will arrive separately for each account, so keeping track of them will prevent confusion. If anything doesn't work, check for system updates or reinstall Facebook before trying again.